Let's chant Om one time. Relax. Scrub your both hands. Apply on your eyes, cup it, face, all over. Take your hand back and lean towards Supreme Mother Earth. Stretch. Your hand should be back stretching. And relax. Let's stretch before we start. Both hand up. Turn toward right. Right hand very close to your body at the back. Left hand on the right knee and keep pushing toward right side. Hold it for 7 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and center. Stretch up. Take it toward left. Stretch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and center. Again, one more time. Both hand up, turn toward right, stretch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and center. Stretch up, turn toward left, stretch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and center. Let's turn toward right side. Stretch your left hand, slide your right, turn toward right. Stretch 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 and up. Stretch your right arm, slide your left, bend toward left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and up. One more time, turning and twisting from waistline. Stretch right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and up. Stretch your right hand up, slide your left, go toward left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and up. Lean toward forward and let's do 360-degree waist rotation. Go toward right side. Keep your head, follow your head up, go down. 360-degree rotation from your waistline 5 times. 3, 4 and 5. Turn reverse. 1. Make a big circle. 2, 3, 4 and 5. And now we can get up, so we can do some more stretching up. Open up your legs as wide as possible. Both hands straight out. finger goes toward the ceiling. Turn toward right and lean toward your knee. Hands are still up, shoulder level. Stretch. Hold it here for a couple of seconds and up and center. Turn toward left. Go toward your knee. Try to touch your nose to the knee. Stretch, 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 and up. And relax. Interlock your hand. Flip it up. Let's do Chakki Chalanasana. Take it from left side to down. And go to right, up. That's a one Chakki Chalanasana. Let's do 5 of them. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now reverse it. Go from other side. And 5 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and last one. And relax. Alright, so relax, roll your shoulder back, and let me put the music on.
सूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ नमः ॐ मित्राय नमः ॐ रवये नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ भानवे नमः ॐ खगाय नमः ॐ पूष्णे नमः ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ॐ मरीचये नमः ॐ आदित्याय नमः ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ अर्गाय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः ॐ मित्राय नमः ॐ रवये नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ भानवे नमः ॐ खगाय नमः ॐ पूष्णे नमः ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ॐ मरीचये नमः ॐ आदित्याय नमः ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ अर्गाय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः ॐ मित्राय नमः ॐ रवये नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ भानवे नमः ॐ खगाय नमः ॐ पूष्णे नमः ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ॐ मरीचये नमः ॐ आदित्याय नमः ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ अर्गाय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः ॐ मित्राय नमः ॐ रवये नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ भानवे नमः ॐ खगाय नमः ॐ पूष्णे नमः ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ॐ मरीचये नमः ॐ आदित्याय नमः ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ अर्गाय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः ॐ मित्राय नमः ॐ रवये नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ भानवे नमः ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः।
Keep moving, keep increasing your blood rates, heart rates. Keep moving, keep moving. You can do yogic movement like jumping jack. turn and twist, whichever your body allows. Lift up your legs, do more movement, so increase your heart rates. Alright, now let's have more relaxation. Lie down on your back and relax. Scan your body, head to toe, toe to head. Check your heart rates, blood pressure, circulation, anything your heart is feeling. Just relax. Keep taking deep breath in and out. Come out from your journey. Let's stretch your leg and arm on opposite direction. Keep stretching. Called Ustikasana, stick pose. Keep stretching, stretching, and relax. Let's do one more time. Stretch your arm and legs on opposite direction. Keep stretching. Stretch your legs and arm like somebody is pulling you opposite direction, and relax. Last one, stick pose, Ustikasana. Stretch, 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 and relax. Lift up your both leg and slowly bring it down, very gently, without losing the control. Go down. At certain point, your stomach muscle will get engaged. Don't crash land. Keep going down, down, slowly, very slowly. Go down, go down. Hold it for a second. Hold, hold, and let it go down and relax. Fold your both knee closer to your body. Hands are in aeroplane mode. Palm toward the Supreme Mother Earth. Take your both leg and take it left and you look at the right side. Stretch, 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 stretch. And bring it in center, both legs. Take it toward right. Look at the left. Let's have a spinal twist here. Keep stretching, stretching, stretching. And center. Now lift up your leg a little bit up and take it toward left. You look at the right. Now there is a different stretch here. Keep stretching, Stretch, stretch, and take it up. Take both knee toward right, look at the left, stretch, 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 stretch. Bring your upper body toward right. Take a one deep calming breath here. And with support with your left hand, you can get up and sit down in Sukhasana. And let's do Chandra Nadi only. So use only left nostril. Inhale from left, exhale from left. Only left nostril. Let's do it 10 times. Let's make this one last one. And relax. Let's chant Om one time. Scrub your both hands. Create the energy within you. Apply on your eyes, cup your eyes, your face. Take it over the head, neck, shoulder. Spread that energy you created all over your body. And class is finished. Jai Shri Krishna.
Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna
Jai Shri
Badane.
Krishna, Hemaben. Thank you.
Namaste.
All are unmute.
Badane.
Happy Janmashtami.
Happy Janmashtami.
Jai Shri
Happy
Krishna.
Independence Day.
Thank you, Maben.
Thank you, Deepak Bhai.
Thank you.
Have a
Krishna.
Nice to see all of you.
Bye. Thanks.
Yeah. All right. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.